Have you ever felt like you were down in a hole? Maybe you were stuck or going around in circles, not achieving your goals or your peak performance? I used to feel that way too. Hi there, I'm Krisnan Hurdle of Insight Consulting. 6 years ago, I made a decision to become my best self, and you can too. I went on a quest to find the best and most successful programs on self-development and effectiveness found anywhere around the world. While on this journey, I realized that there are others who feel just as I did, and I wanted to help them overcome their roadblocks and achieve their potential. Today, I'm trained and oriented in programs and systems used by Fortune 500 companies, leading sports teams, and high-impact NGOs around the world. I've completed training by Steve Covey, the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, Franklin Covey International, and Tony Robbins. These programs have equipped me to offer high-quality solutions and coaching to executives across various sectors, to athletes and everyday people like you who need help in clarifying their goals and reaching their potential. So whether you need solutions for implementing a customer service program, shifting mindsets, attitudes, and behavior, or coaching to achieve peak performance, we offer a range of services that you can rely on. Contact us. Call us at 247-6899 or email us insightconsultingbb@gmail.com. You can also find us on Facebook, Insight Consulting Barbados. We look forward to helping you to achieve your potential and your peak performance. See you soon.